Amazon plans to exit the $7.7 billion race for cricket rights. Surprise retreat to cede the field to Ambani, Disney, Sony. Media giants are vying to reach a growing India consumer class. Wow. Yeah, Amazon, Ambani, all of his variety of businesses that are Geo and then obviously Disney and Sony in the content space. Netflix is in there. And it's a tight battle for the future of capitalizing on the Indian consumer, the emerging Indian consumer. And so I guess I didn't know about this, but I guess they were trying to get involved with the Indian Premier League cricket and broadcast it? Amazon.com is planning to withdraw from a heated competition for the rights to stream Indian Premier League cricket matches, ceding one of the world's most popular sporting contests to rivals from Walt Disney and Reliance Industries. The rights had been estimated to fetch an unprecedented $7.7 billion. The U.S. giant, led by Jeff Bezos, is planning to throw in the towel rather than get into a bidding war at the June 12th auction, according to people familiar with the matter. While Amazon has already invested more than $6 billion in the country, more spending merely for the online streaming rights to the league didn't make business sense, they said, asking not to be identified, discussing internal deliberations. That's a lot of money, $7.7 billion to stream it. Obviously, very big deal.
For how long?
In India, I presume just, oh, right. Is it like a 5-year deal? Or You're right. That does matter. You can generate a lot of revenue from it and certainly a lot of recognition. And when you're Amazon, you're so diversified. It's not just content. You get the brand out there and the shopping happens and everything else, but it's still a boatload of money. They might feel like they don't need to spend it. Amazon's surprise pullout leaves the field open to Ambani's Reliance, Disney, and Sony Group, who are betting the game will help them dominate an Indian consumer market increasingly going online. Whichever company scores the deal could also bolster their position in a country of 1.4 billion where the English sport enjoys cult-like status. I mean, it's the main sport as far as I know, cricket. Amazon has a great balance sheet, but as a standalone digital-only bidder, it would have had a challenge recouping such a big investment on streaming. Yeah, there's a global shift toward saner valuations, and companies including Amazon are thinking harder about acquisition costs and unit economics. Big, big money. Here's another comparison. Amazon, did they spend money somewhere else? Score a victory. Bloomberg News report. The retail titan has spent hundreds of millions of dollars on European soccer rights and has forged a deal to broadcast Thursday night football in the U.S. at $1 billion a season until 2033. So big money right now. Big money in sports and live. And obviously there's that story about the new golf league that opened up. And it's, yeah, where everybody wants the eyeballs, Will. Including us.
Yes.
Very similar negotiations we're currently having with Bezos for the streaming rights.
Yeah, ongoing.
That's right. It's ongoing.